What's the meaning of brandish? Brandish. Brandish.
Brandish. Brandish. The word brandish means to wave or flourish something as a threat or in anger, excitement, or triumph. When someone brandishes an object such as a weapon or a flag, it creates a visual impact and draws attention to themselves, conveying a powerful message of dominance or aggression. The act of brandishing can be intimidating and unsettling, often leading to a sense of fear or unease in those who witness it. It is a potent tool used in various fields such as literature, film, politics, and sports to evoke emotions and convey messages. Overall, brandishing is a powerful, attention-grabbing action that can have both positive and negative consequences.